Hey everyone, Aslan here. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to give you a view of what really happened last night. So, like you can say 10 hours ago, there was storm on Twitter. Everyone was like, get on revoke.cash, get your Opensea listing unlisted. There was a lot of mess, a lot of fun around it. The hacker was planning this for a while now, and we'll discuss now what really happened. Not everyone, there are rumors like X2 Y2 exchange, the new marketplace scam. Because of that, someone was saying this happened, that happened. There are many rumors, guys. We will see what really happened because the hacker account was locked, like deleted from OpenSea. I've seen that myself, and I checked his wallet. He hacked like Azuki 17, then he hacked many big ones. Okay, many big ones. Give me a second. Let me just get the. If you haven't joined the Discord, do join the Discord right now. This is a hacker's account. OpenSea links. So Discord, I've shared that last night. I've shared revoke.cash and debunk. How can you remove this from the permission so you won't get hacked? If there's any unnecessary permission in your MetaMask, you need to revoke that as soon as possible. So this is the website everyone was promoting, revoke.cash, and it had attacks, DDoS attacks, and it was down as well. So it was a mess last night. Thank God. It was 2 million worth of hack happened, but the thing is, the hacker made everyone sign in. Okay, it wasn't like a giving permission, it was signatures that he was collecting, he or she, I don't know, but yeah, there was something. So I revoked all the NFT, especially this new, because I've claimed airdrop. I've made a video yesterday. I've claimed airdrops, free airdrops, so I've revoked all of it from there as well. So hopefully everything goes well now and we don't face anything else. For now, I've delisted everything. I have everything in my wallet now, revoked and all good. The story. So the story starts from here. It says the hacker 28 days ago already created a smart contract and sent a phishing signature, emails and stuff to people so they can sign in. And I believe I signed in something like this as well myself, which I've just noticed. Like when I was reading further, I said, okay, it seems like I signed something because it looked weird. And normally I signed, there's only one line and that's it. But this was a lot more detailed when I signed one of these. But thank God I was safe. Coinbase took OpenSea took action at time, and yeah. So there's not too much in details at the moment. There are details like this was done and Etherscan was down, guys. Yesterday I tried to log in, see it, because I disconnected everything. I wanted to see if there is transaction happening on my wallet. There wasn't any, so I tried to make sure that I can see that with my address on Etherscan, and I wasn't able to see it. Everything was crashed. Gas fees was very high, and everything was going bad and bad. And there is a picture made how things happen. So there's a lot of Azukis mentioned here. 4 Azukis, 2 cool mans, cool cats I've seen Kaijo. I've seen bored apes as well. There were 3 bored apes in the wallet. We can see the wallets right now. Why not? Okay, warning, there are reports that this address has been used for OpenSea phishing. So the seller have removed a lot of money, seems like it. There was millions here. There was 2,700 ETH. Like there was a lot of money yesterday. So fake phishing, here you go. There was in fake phishing, I don't know, we'll see in a second. So it's a phishing, everything seems like it's been getting deleted and all that. Things change, but the thing is, hacker sent back a lot of it. A lot of it was sent back. I was reading the guy who got hacked, his stuff, bored ape, he got it back. There's conks, crypto cyber conks that were get hacked as well. There's a lot of expensive ones, and there are like around 2 million worth of NFTs were hacked, plus more after that, because this is what I saw at first. Look, they estimated 2 million worth, but there's a lot of drama going on. But ultimately, when the hacker knew this is going to be getting changed, so there will be some loophole in the middle when there is a migration happening. In the middle, I could just get it in for a second and get all those NFTs, because in one transaction, I was reading, in one transaction the hacker took like many NFTs in one transaction. So he was very smart, he knew what he's doing, he's very good at doing this. He could have just done this legitimately with companies like Opensea and Coinbase and other stuff, work with them and make money as well. You don't have to steal others' money. I don't know, maybe the guy was sending back, so that's the thing. Maybe he wanted to show himself, look, this is what's happening, the risk involved in this. You need to understand, guys, the risk is very high in this. When you are in MetaMask, in decentralized, once it's gone, you're never getting back unless the guy sends you back. Once it's gone, tada, bye bye. So say hasta luego to it. So this is a thing you need to understand. You need to be very careful what you do. Don't connect MetaMask. I'll put the link of revoke.cash in description below. Do subscribe and join our social media. Follow me on Twitter, the links are in description. I'll share a lot of information. If you go to my Twitter, there's more information. I was retweeting it. You can see it here. It's much easier. So many saying this was a phishing message that was sent, but the guys who were hacked, expensive guys, they said they haven't logged in for a month in their email, so they haven't checked. Okay, but yeah, there was a lot of rumors, a lot of different things people were saying. They were saying X2, Y2 exchange because of that, and the hacker is using helper contract with 30 days ago, deployed 30 days ago, call, and OS contract deployed 4 years ago. So there's a lot of different things that going around, but we have seen hacker's account, which he did that. He collected the signatures and then kind of taken permission, and he wasn't even in need of anyone's permission to transfer. Only the NFTs that were transferred, they were listed on the market. So far, that's what we know. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If there's any information, I will keep sharing with you guys. And I've just uploaded a video on Bitcoin market update. Hey, you can watch that, and hopefully we don't see too much of blood, but I'm expecting these lows to be taken. There's a lot of stop losses, liquidity, fear below this. There's so much fear going to come when we drop below this. So that's what the smart money wants, and we might see that. Have a good day, guys, and I'll see you next video. Bye.